Hello, my friends. Today we are going to see a beautiful wig from Vexora, and it is called Avery. And Avery is my new love. So let's take a look at some of the things they sent me in the box. I did an unboxing, and you can see here eyeshadow. So what is the eyeshadow for? See this brown around the front? I have gray hair. That is for the rooting. So just use an eyeshadow, and they sent this to me. And when you get a wig, they'll probably send it to you too. And also, you see here the cream one, the brown I did for the roots, and the cream is perfect for the part of your wig to help disguise if there are any roots. So it's a wonderful little extra gift. And also, I love their wig grip. Their wig grip is just fabulous. One of the reasons I love it is this lace. It's a single layer, so it's not doubled over, and so it doesn't cause that bulk underneath the lace of your wig. Love that. And your wig's going to lay down nicer. It also has that silicone that goes under the knee to really grip. I love that little extra feature. So thank you. This is really a wonderful wig grip, and I love it. So let's get it on, because I know you want to see Avery. I do. She's brand new. She is a 15-inch cool blonde balayage with brown rooting. And camera doesn't do it justice, but it is gorgeous. It is a beautiful cap. It is my favorite cap I have ever experienced because I love the softness of the lace that they use. I love this silk here on top, this double, so you don't get those return hairs poking back through on your head. Look at this. How many have this feature of this velvet that goes all the way around? So with the silk and the velvet, it's going to give extra security, and it's going to fit on your head and rest on it really nice and comfortable. It has the closed cap and just a beautiful velvet nape here, and the hairs come out of it really pretty, really beautiful with the bra strap adjusters. This is a medium that they sent me, and I'm a 21.5 with my wig grips. It fits fabulous. I've made no adjustments to it, and it has a nice fringe on it. I haven't cut the lace yet, but I just have to get it on. So let's get it on and pull it up. There you go. You always want to be about, always kind of put my hand. Nothing looks wiggier than a wig that's too close. Okay, look at this. Let me pull this down, grab the ear tabs. Nice ear tabs, strong ear tabs. There's a really nice piece of armature wire in there that really is strong. Look at this. Oh, she's beautiful and gorgeous. Look at that. I love the fringe here. So there's really some fun ways that you're going to be able to style this to come down and be a little edging. It's not like it's falling. It's fringe, it's bangs, but it doesn't fall into your face. The way they've cut it, just that right amount and layering that it doesn't fall in your eyes. Love that. Avery, you are gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I'm going to turn around sideways and then to the back. Oh, it feels so good. It feels just beautiful. I love the length because it's just that length of a bob that's just at the top, just here at your shoulders, right? Very natural looking. And look at this. This is the density on this. It's a nice low density. That's it. And so that means you could wear it in a nice little pony like that. Of course, you could split it up, do little side ponies like that. Cute. That would be really cute, right? Lots of ways, because with that free parting, it's not just parted here like I have it here on the left, but you can part it down the middle. Beautiful, beautiful Avery. I love you, and thank you, Vexora. You hit this one out of the park. She is in every way the perfect human hair wig for me. The cap is my favorite, and the hair quality, everything about this, the color, the balayage, she's perfect. I think you should check her out. Go to the link below so you can go directly to check out Avery at Vexora. I'll see you here in the next video, friends. Doing my darlings. Bye.